welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because my mom gave me a Diwali gift. So let's unboxing the Diwali gift. One, two gifts. I unboxing first one. Wow! My mom gave me one beautiful dress. See friends, this is blue color. I love this one. See, this is blue color. My favorite color is pink. Oh, wow, beautiful looking. Favorite color pink. Friends, how I am looking? How I am looking, friends? Friends, second gift. See, this is boat, stone, Bluetooth, speaker, 170. Like this speaker. See? Oh wow! This is 1 year warranty card. This is charging cable. This is aux cable. This is a Bluetooth speaker. See, this is charging port, memory card slot, aux port. Holding less. See, this is very useful for outdoor shooting. I will shoot one video with this dress and this speaker. Now I am going to check it. First I on this, see, from here. Now this is on
Bluetooth mode.
See, the sound and the music is very beautiful.
रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो,
दूरी की बातें हो, सबसे मुलाकातें हो।
Friends, if you like my dress and speaker, please subscribe my channel. Bye friends, meet you next video. Bye bye.